Hi everyone, my name is Jignesh. I look after the sales in Woodtech Consultants Pvt Limited. Today I am going to show you our most successful edge banding machine, which is 668JGZBU 50. So I'll explain you about the key features of this machine. Let's see. So the machine has all the unit double. So it has two glue pot, it has two top and bottom trimming unit, rough trimming and fine trimming. It has 4 corner rounding units, it has scraping unit, and it has glue scraping unit as well. It has 2 buffing unit which also oscillates. Now in this edge banding machine we can do minimum panel size 50 mm, minimum length of the panel is 120 mm. It can also do edge banding for PVC tape which is from 0.4 to 3 mm. So I'll explain you about the machine. So first what we see here is the pre-milling machine, a pre-milling unit. It can be adjusted manually. Here next we have the glue pot. The standard glue pot over here is PUR, which is polyurethane glue pot. As you see here, there is no storage because it is attached to a pre-melter, which is also optional. You can buy it as and when required. Plus there is no storage required for this. As and when you need it, it will absorb the glue and it will work, which will ensure no glue wastages and there is no cleaning, major cleaning which is required. Next, we have the standard gravity glue pot which flows the glue from top to bottom, ensures strong bonding. Here we have the storage, then it is the melter, then it is the storage. The storage capacity is very less. It will only absorb the glue or it will only take glue when it is required. This is the pressure zone. Next, we have the end cutting unit, which is 2 motor end cutting unit. It is also lubricated automatically. Next, we have top and bottom trimming unit. As you see, there are 2 units. So one is rough trimming and the second is fine trimming. Then next we have the corner rounding unit. It is 4 motor corner rounding unit. 1 motor, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 motors which ensures round edges on all the corners. Next we have the scraping unit, which is scraping 1 and scraping 2. We also have a glue scraper which is inbuilt in the machine, and that is flexible. As you see here, it is not standard, it is flexible, which ensures that the laminate is not scratched. We also have 2 units which is buffing unit, and both are oscillating, which ensures best quality result. For more information and solution by Woodtech, please visit our demo center in Bangalore. Thank you.